On this video, we're going over how to install a deep cool Castle 240EX radiator on a socket AM4 AMD motherboard. Now, the way that we're doing this is on the assumption that you received only the radiator. So the first thing we're going to do, this is a standard AMD backplate. We're going to flip it over. We're going to stick this AMD backplate on. Then, this particular radiator uses, these are slightly different. Most radiators use a little bit smaller version of this, but for whatever reason, this is what they went with. Now, you just screw each of these in. Now, do be aware, each liquid cooler, at least each manufacturer, has their own slightly different way of doing this. There are some fairly strong similarities between them. Some of them are almost identical, but some of them are different. So be aware that this is not necessarily a universal install guide. That's why I specified it for the Deep Cool Castle 240EX in this case. Generally speaking, if you have only the radiator, as long as it has the brackets, this bracket with it, you can do this with non-original parts. It's just you got to make sure that the height is right. As long as the height is right, sometimes just getting really close is good enough. Sometimes it needs to be exact. It just depends on the way it's done. So we're just going to use some basic thermal paste on here. In this case, I'm using the large center dot method. Now you want to remember that when you put this on, that way is the top of your case. So this is how it's going to sit, which is what I want. And then you just screw it on. Now, it is worth mentioning that these screws that I'm using are basically universal. Pretty much every liquid cooler setup uses these types of this threading of thumb screw. So these could have been off of a Corsair. I don't know. They could have been off of anything. I have a huge supply of this stuff, so sometimes I just grab what I have on hand. And then the way that I have this done, it's just going to sit real easy, just like this. So anyway, I hope you guys found this quick install guide on the Castle 240EX useful, and thanks for watching.